Ditch Dewey and increase circulation in your school library. What is the Dewey Decimal System? Anyone who has spent time in a library has at least heard of this system, but let's dig deeper and learn more. The Dewey Decimal System was created in the late 1800s by an American librarian named Melville Dewey. It is a system that is used by most libraries to organize their collections. The system is based on the division of all knowledge into the 10 groups represented here. So what exactly is wrong with the Dewey Decimal System? Some might think of it the other way. What isn't wrong with Dewey? According to the School Library Journal, the Dewey Decimal System is flawed, and many of its flaws are more insidious than errors in judgment or a change in conventional thinking. In addition, the system is very outdated, which has led to many racist, sexist, and homophobic overtones. For example, books on LGBTQ topics were once shelved under mental disorders, and African American culture was in a separate category from American culture. In addition, Dewey himself has come under such scrutiny that the American Library Association has recently made a decision to remove his name from their highest award for the profession. All of these issues are major flaws in the Dewey Decimal System, but they do not affect the day-to-day operations of your school library, right? Wrong. Have you ever found yourself in this scenario? You have a class of 35 students in your school library, and it's time for them to pick out their books. You've taught them all how to use the card catalog system, so they'll easily be able to find the books they want, right? Wrong. It usually goes a little more like this. There are only 10 computers in the library, so that means that 10 students can look through the card catalog system, while the other 25 immediately go to the shelves and start browsing. But how are they searching? They find the books they want by simply looking at their covers to see if it piques their interest. So why not make it easier for your students? Start genreifying. Many of you are saying genre what? Yes, it is a real word. Genreifying or genreification is a recent initiative within both public and school libraries to change the way materials are organized. Instead of finding the book they want in the card catalog and then locating it on the shelf using its call number, patrons can simply browse the library like they would a bookstore. The new layout groups books by subject rather than number, uses signs to highlight popular categories, and displays books by their covers. There are many benefits of genreifying your library collection, but the three biggest ones are how it supports reluctant readers, it boosts reader independence, and saves time for students and staff. You are now saying, yeah, this sounds great, but no school librarian has time to do this. Well, you are right and wrong. Yes, time is a precious commodity for all of us in education, but do not fret. You can still do it. Genreifying is something that can be done in stages and steps to make it easy. For the many school libraries who use Follett as their library management system, the process is as easy as following the directions outlined by the company themselves using this link. If you use another library management service, you should first check with them to see what resources they may have to assist you in genreifying. There are also a large variety of web-based resources that can guide you through this process. Although it takes some effort and work, genrifying your library will bring countless rewards with more visitors, increased checkouts, and ultimately leading to lifelong readers.